In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your GMC Sonoma key fob. You can do this process at home. It is very easy. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. One quick note, you probably saw a couple different keys in the thumbnail. It doesn't matter which version you have. Just for this device, there are a couple different button layouts, different numbers of buttons. They're all the same device and the battery is the same in all of them. And the process to open them up is the same as well. So you can follow along with me here, regardless of which one you have. So the only things you'll need to get it done are either a coin, just a regular coin, or a flathead screwdriver, whichever one you have on hand. And of course, you'll need your battery, which for this device is a CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around, go check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these particular batteries for just a few dollars. Now, the first step is just to look on the bottom right of your device, right next to where the key ring attaches. You can see there's a large indentation in the plastic. It's right along the seam in the two halves. Take either your coin or your flathead. I prefer to use a coin, just helps you to open it a little bit easier. But whichever one you have, just insert it in that indentation and hold the device loosely and twist. And the device will click right open. It doesn't take much force at all. We'll snap this thing open so that we can now remove the battery. You can just use your fingernail to pull this battery out. Depending on your nails, this might be easier or harder. There we go. And if you're unable to do that, you can just use the same flathead you may have used to get under here. You can also probably use a car key, pen or pencil, anything that will fit in this little indentation that you see there, that dark area. That's just a little area that helps us to slide under the battery and lift it right out. So once you've got your battery out, you can dispose of your old one, grab your new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting the new battery in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. So just line it up in this little housing that you have there and click it down into place, positive side down. And of course, all we need to do now is just click these two halves back together. So line it all up and just squeeze. And there we go, just like that. You have a new battery in there. It should last you for several years and you are good to go. I hope that video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. We love to hear all of your feedback on these videos. So, and also remember, if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come right back here. We have you covered on this channel with tutorials just like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.